Do we really need to live in a house? The need for housing is a fundamental aspect of human existence, providing shelter, privacy, and a sense of security. While it's true that there are alternative living apartments where people live together in large scale structures, such as apartment complexes or communal living spaces, the concept of personal dwelling or a home holds significant importance in society. Here are a few points to consider. Privacy and individuality. Having a personal dwelling allows individuals and families to have their own space where they can express their individuality, establish personal boundaries, and enjoy privacy. It provides sense of ownership and control over one's living environment. Security and sustainability. Owning or renting a house provides sense of stability and security. It offers a place where people can keep their belongings, establish roots in community, and have a stable base for their personal and professional lives. Customization and personalization. A house offers an opportunity for customization and personalization, allowing individuals to create a living space that reflects their unique needs, preferences, and tastes. People can decorate, modify, and adapt their homes according to their lifestyle and personal desires. Emotional connection. A house often carries sentimental value and emotional attachment. It becomes a place where memories are created and cherished, fostering a sense of belonging, comfortable, and identity. While alternative living apartments can provide certain benefits, the need for a personal dwelling remains strong in many cultures and societies, as it fulfills various practical, psychological, and emotional needs. The simplest definition for a home is a place where an individual or a family lives and considers as their primary residence. It is a place that provides shelter, comfort, and a sense of belonging. A home typically serves as a private and personal space where individuals can relax, unwind, and create memories. It is more than just a physical structure. It encompasses the emotional and physical and psychological connection people have with the place they consider their own. It is a personal and private sanctuary that provides shelter and emotional security. On the other hand, the simplest definition for a house is a building or a structure that is designed and used as a place of residence. It typically provides shelter and serves as a living space for individuals or families. A house can vary in size, outlaw, and architectural style, but its primary purpose is to provide a physical space where people can live, sleep, and carry out their daily activities.